If you're a plant lover who's ever felt envious of your neighbor's lush garden, then you need to unlock the secrets of the green thumb. Imagine stepping into your garden, where every leaf glimmers with health and every flower blooms as if it's showing off. That's the magic of a green thumb. But here's a little secret. It's not magic, it's all about understanding and love. First off, plants are just like us. They need the right food, water, and a cozy spot to thrive. Mix in a little TLC, toss the one-size-fits-all approach out the window, and tailor your care to each plant's whims. Worried about overwatering? If your plant's leaves droop like a moody teenager, it's time to lay off the watering can. Too dry? Crispy leaves are your clue. Let's not forget, talking to your plants isn't just for fairy tales. It's backed by science. A kind word or two can make your green buddies sprout with joy. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dig into the secrets of a green thumb together.